So yung ini-expect ko sa aming event na skills competition is syempre mabigay ko yung best ko and
maging masaya tayo lahat and syempre first time ko and kakabahan.
I'll learn valuable things. Tapos ma-enjoy ko naman yung event. Kasama ko yung mga classmates ko, mga seniors ko din.
My only expectation is that the competition will be very chaotic.
Expect ko naman po na maging masaya naman ako and mag-enjoy lang. Pero first time ko, so medyo kumbaga rin.
Na-expect ko po sa competition na to ay maging masaya at marami po kami makain sa ulo.
Mag-enjoy lang kami sa event and mag-uwi kami ng certificate of participation. Of course, we are excited to showcase our skills and to represent our school while making our parents proud.
To have interactive experiences and smooth execution with the event.
I'm expecting that the event will be a success and everyone will have fun.
Sa event na to, sana magandang kalalabasan na to at sino man manalo sa event na to, sana masaya ako para sa kanila.
Event ay sana magkaroon kami ng masayang friendly competition saka mag-enjoy.
Expectation ko sa event ay maging masaya lahat.
I expect a fun, competitive,
And memorable experience
to showcase our skills and teamwork.